Hey guys, welcome to Franklin Woodworks. I'm going to show you how to take your projects to the next level. I have a nice glue up of some white oak. I used blue tinted epoxy to fill in some cracks and other imperfections in the wood. I have it sanded down to 220, and this is ready for finishing. If I give it a wipe with mineral spirits, you can see what it will look like with Danish oil, which is my preferred finish. And this is going to be beautiful. Here's the back of the same piece. I'm going to show what a difference contrasting grain filler will make. I'm using Ebony grain filler. Now the brand of grain filler is Timbermate, and I'm not affiliated with Timbermate in any way, but I've found that it's the best grain filler out there. You're not going to find it in the big box stores, and if you want to try it, you may have to buy it over the internet. But out of the can, it has the consistency of, let's say, cold peanut butter. A little too thick to spread. So I mix in a tiny bit of water until I get the consistency I want. Let's say yogurt or mayonnaise. Maybe I'm just hungry. To spread the filler, I use an old credit card or hotel room key. I spread it with both the grain and against the grain, making sure I get every single pore and imperfection filled. Since this filler is water-based, this will also serve to raise the grain a little. Many folks that use grain filler on a regular basis often use matching grain filler on their projects. This gives the finished piece a look of perfection and really helps making the finished product glassy to the touch. A perfect look is absolutely appropriate for some projects. However, I tend to like accenting the fact that this is wood with all the character that God gave it, and as a wise man once told me, if you can't hide an imperfection, accent it. Contrasting grain filler does just that. So I let this dry for about an hour, then I start sanding. Remember, the purpose of this is to accent the grain, not act as a stain. So when I'm sanding, I want to get down to the bare wood. Now, this white oak is very porous. Filler gets into even the smallest of spaces, and it leaves the impression that the wood itself has changed color. But that really isn't the case. I'll wipe this down with mineral spirits again so you can see the difference. Contrasting grain filler can really make the grain pop, and that may be just the ticket for taking some of your projects to the next level. I'll end with a shot of a piece without grain filler. Very beautiful. Compared to the piece with the contrasting grain filler. Wow. I don't think there's any doubt that the grain filler makes the one on the left a home run. I hope this gives you some ideas to try in your shop. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and there you go.